Hi mga Sisibels ko, for today lalaroin natin to Get a Flight on Flop Tropica at 3 a.m. Ganon. So $0 ako. Hindi naman ako numako kay Nicki Minaj. Grabe naman. Ang sakot nun, no? Okay, hi guys. So, for today. Ba't ako naglalag? Take. Ay. Sabi ko ito itong ba? Sabi ko the GF Airlines. Ano ba ginawa ko? Hello. This is a criminal. Good evening, Flop. This is GFA Airlines. Look. Togon. Punta naman tayo dito sa gas station. So kailangan ko daw to yan susunugin ko daw yan. Ay! Ang tagal! Bahala kayo dyan. Patayin ko itong babae. Ay, sorry. Ba't ang tagal? Okay. Ayun na yun. So, may $60. Hi, Sisibel. Vicky. Hi. Ayo, are you GF? Told me about. Dang, she worked fast. Yes, that's me. Okay, well, before I take you I need to do a favor. Oh my gosh. What the? Why would I do that? We have too much competition. I'm going to be broke. I already made a plan to destroy that place. Okay, you need 2 gas cans for her dumpster. Sorry, te. Pero kailangan ko pa talaga gawin. Hi, Nikki. Pabili nga ako. Tapos, Hoy! Okay. Grabe ah. Uy, nagulat ako. Okay. Okay na. Tara na. Grabe ko. Mag-away pa kayo ng card. Okay, tara na. Bibili lang ako ng ticket ko. Wait lang, Cardi B ah. Okay, doon daw ako sa computer. Okay, uy, mamaya ka na, dadak ka ng dadak. Okay na, may $66. Sino si Nikki? Wala ba akong gamit na dadalhin? Okay. Hi, Nikki. I'm back. Let's go, Queen. Bye. Ayun na siya! Yung Dear passengers, we have arrived in Tropica. Don't forget to collect your luggage and after you leave the plane. Okay. Mga seatbelts ko, nakuha ko yung good ending. So, bye guys. Bye mga seatbelts ko. See you on the next video. Bye!